In this video, you'll be learning how to complete the tasks in the Shardeum Incentivized Testnet. If you haven't already registered on this testnet, do well to check the description below for a link to register, and you get some bonus points, some bonus airdrop points. Alright, so the link brings you to this page where you'll be prompted to enter your friend's invitation code. Do well to enter CryptoBean101 and click on Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask wallet and make sure MetaMask is already installed on your browser. I'm using Kiwi browser in this case. Tap on Connect and approve. Okay, then tap on Sign. And you should go to your MetaMask wallet and confirm the sign in and click on Submit. Alright, so registration is successful. Next up, tap on this checkbox and click Continue. You can view in desktop mode for a better experience. Okay, so let's see what tasks we have to do in level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so level 1 says refer your friend. We won't be doing that yet. So in level 2, just go ahead and connect all your socials. Alright, that's about it for level 2. If you have any questions or confused about any of these steps, go ahead and drop your questions in the comment section and I'll try to attend to them. Before you can complete level 3, you need SHM tokens, and for that you'll have to open your Discord app and navigate to the Shardeum Discord server where you get the Faucet to request the test tokens. Tap on search and select Faucet. Okay, in the Faucet server, type /Faucet and there's a suggestion up here that says address. Tap on address, leave a space and paste your MetaMask wallet address. All right, so after pasting it, you sometimes have to wait for even up to 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours before the test tokens are deposited. All right, so after almost 2 hours of waiting, the tokens finally arrived. So we'll go back to the voting task and connect our wallet again. Go to MetaMask, refresh and connect. All right, so if you look up here, you'll notice there are 5 votes in total available for this task. If you like, you can cast all 5 votes for a single option, and if you like, you can distribute all 5 votes among the options available here. Just make sure you cast all 5 votes. To cast a vote, tap on the option you intend to vote for and go to your MetaMask wallet. You'll see an unapproved transaction. Tap on that transaction and confirm. Wait a little, and when the transaction is confirmed, you go back to your voting page and you'll see that vote has been casted and number of votes has dropped from 5 to 4. Repeat the same process till there's no more voting left, and after that tap on Quest and tap on level 3 and basically you just have to click verify. Alright, that task is verified and that's the end of level 3. Okay, so if we navigate to level 4 to see what's there, alright, we see participate in quiz. Alright, let's do the quiz. I'll be leaving the answers to these quiz questions in the description below. Do also check them out. Alright, so just like in voting, whatever answer you select here, you'll have to do a transaction to submit it. So go ahead and check in the description below. You'll find all the answers to these quiz questions. Alright, so after completing all the quiz questions, go back to the quest page and tap on verify for that quiz, and it's verified. So for the votes, you already know how to vote. Let's do task 4, which is Tower Challenge 1. Alright, in Tower Challenge, basically you'll be leveling up in whatever tribe you are assigned to. Oh, in this case we are assigned to tribe A. Alright, so click on continue and just tap on level up. Alright, you have 30 level ups per building. Okay, so approve the transaction in your MetaMask wallet, and you'll see the count has dropped from 30 to 29. So you repeat the same process 29 more times and you'll be done with this level. And when you're done, you go back and tap on verify also. Okay, so that's basically it. So the last category of tasks here is the Wordle game. I'll be dropping a separate video on how to play the Wordle game, where I'll be explaining it more in depth because it's a bit more technical than the others we've been doing. All right, so make sure to check out the video. And also, if you have any question, you're confused about anything, drop your questions in the comment section and I'll attend to as many as I can. I'll also be dropping useful links and information pertinent to this video in the description below, so make sure to check that out also. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.